Good morning, students. Hope you are doing good and staying at home. We'll discuss today about the decomposition reaction. As in brief, I told you before also that decomposition reactions are the reactions in which single substance breaks down into two or more substances. Here, AB is a single substance. It breaks down into A and B, two substances. Now see about the decomposition reactions. First of all, definition of decomposition reactions. Learn it. Those reactions in which one compound breaks down into two or more substances. Reactions are called decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions are of three types. One is thermal decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition reactions, and photo decomposition reactions. Thermal decomposition reactions are the reactions which takes place in presence of heat supply. Electrolytic decomposition reactions are the reactions which takes place in supply of electricity. Photolytic decomposition reactions are those reactions which takes place in presence of light. First of all, we'll discuss about thermal decomposition reactions. Thermal decomposition reactions are the reactions which takes place in presence of heat energy or by supply of heat energy. For this, we'll see this activity. Let's begin with the activity. This is a girl doing the practical. She has holded a test tube with the help of tongues and she is heating this test tube. In this boiling test tube, 2 grams of ferrous sulfate crystals she has taken. Ferrous sulfate crystals are light green in color. After heating ferrous sulfate crystals, she observes that the crystal's color changes to white and some gases are also coming out. So what is happening in the reaction? In the reaction, ferrous sulfate crystals which are light green in color, they change on supply of heat into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Because when ferrous sulfate crystals are heated, its water molecule removes. It has 7 molecules of water in the form of crystals. These water molecules removes when it is heated and it changes into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Ferrous sulfate means ferrous. Ferrous means when iron has 2 valency here. And in the ferric oxide, iron has 3 valency. That is why its formula also Fe2O3 because this 3 valencies of iron. So this ferrous sulfate is solid in nature. Ferric oxide is also solid in nature. And these two gases are, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are gases. So in this reaction, as you are observing that single substance is breaking down into 3 substances, means it is a decomposition reactions. And ferrous sulfate crystals, that is FeSO4.7H2O, it loses water when heated and the color of crystals changes from light green to white, because this question also sometimes asks you what is the color of ferrous sulfate crystal or why does it change into white color. Here, what is the change of ferrous sulfate crystal after heating? So these all learn properly. Go through each and every line of NCERT. It then decomposes to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. And as I told you, ferrous sulfate is solid, ferric oxide is also solid, and these two are gases. Next decomposition reactions is copper carbonate. When it's heated, it breaks down into copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Again, the decomposition reaction, single substance is breaking into 2 substances. So this is again a decomposition reaction, and because heat supply is given here, so means this is again thermal decomposition reaction. The reaction goes like this. CuCO3 gives CuO plus CO2. One similar reaction you can learn, heating of limestone or the calcium carbonate, CaCO3. CaCO3 also breaks down into calcium oxide, calcium carbonate breaks down into calcium oxide, that is CO plus carbon dioxide. So see how the reaction takes place here. Lead nitrate, that is PbNO3 whole twice. When it is heated, it changes to lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. And brown fumes which you observe, these are of nitrogen dioxide. If you want to see whether reaction is balanced or not, you can see lead 2 molecules here, lead 2 molecules, nitrogen C2 and this 2, 4, nitrogen 4, oxygen 3 to the 6 to the 12, oxygen 2, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 2 10 and 2 12. The reaction is balanced. So in the next video we will discuss about the electrolytic decomposition and photo decomposition. Thank you. Have a good day.